We guide you through how to fix Apple Pay wallet app missing. First thing you need to do is check if the wallet app is hidden or removed from your home screen, because sometimes it can be accidentally deleted or restricted. Next, open the App Store and search for Wallet to see if it can be re-downloaded. Then go to Settings, Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions, and make sure Wallet is allowed under Allowed Apps. After that, restart your device and check again if the app appears. Also ensure your device is updated to the latest iOS version and sign in with your Apple ID. And if the wallet app is still missing, contact Apple support for further assistance to restore the app and access your Apple Pay cards. So that's it.